All right, so we got our two-way bender. There we go. Our line here. All right. So not a whole lot. Promise. It's not. I really don't need it quite. We'll see how everything goes. Nice blend. That'll work great. That will work great. Get that on there. Get that in there. There we go. There we go. Everything's starting to turn now. Yeah. There we go. Alright, so that will. There we go. There's a 1/2 inch wrench. Go ahead and press that in there because we know it's good. Don't have to worry about it. It's set where it needs to be. Perfect. Worked great. Alright, so now we got our sensor and our adapter for our sensor. 1/4 inch brake line or compression to 1/8 inch national pipe. I will connect our sensor in here. Or tube if you're going to run the manual one. I want to go with a sensor this time, try that out. Oh, I don't need it super freaking long. The longer it is, the more problems you'll probably freaking have. So we'll cut it about where the paper starts. That'll work. And most of the stuff I picked up at parts store, picked up the Union, didn't need it. Obviously we got by just putting the T in there. And then the T I picked up from a hardware store because the parts store didn't have any T's, at least 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch T's, which is not uncommon. Looks like my pipe reamer is about shot for deburr. But that'll work. Clean it up a little bit here. Up. Alright, put this one together. Alright. There we go. I don't have 2 1/2 inch wrenches in my house, I don't think. Actually, I do. It's scary. Kind of hurts the old chest. that compression's done. It's a little heavy, of course. It's got quite a bit of weight on there. We're going to take it just straight off the side. It's going to connect in there. Like that. We have room that direction. Gauge, or sensor, just gonna sit right in there, nice and pretty. Alright, so one last time we'll go back out, take a look, see what everything looks like hooked up. Sorry for 2 videos, but something glitched out. So, alright, got our light back on. Everything set up here. Look back out, run that out. So we may have to make some adjustments because I'm just going off of what I remember looking at. My freaking cat won't leave me alone. Alright, there we go. Alright, so that's attached. It's actually not bad. Actually not that bad. It looks really good. Looks really good. I like it. Fit just right. Got plenty of clearance in here. Got a couple fingers in there so that hose will fit. I can always turn it just a little bit. That'll work better. And just make sure to tighten these back up because they're not super tight right now. Get this heat shield on, see what it kind of looks like. An idea. And like I said, well, it actually might fit. It might fit. It'd be really close. No, be close. I'd have to put the bolts in it, take a look. But I already knew by looking at it earlier, probably gonna have to cut a little bit out, cut a little chunk out of that. Be all right. Okay, so we actually have an oil pressure gauge set up in here. Now you just gotta go through and double check check the connections, get them super tight. That way they won't leak. And then we'll just have to wait for the drain pipe to come in because it melted in 2 pieces. So we'll have to wait for that to come in before we can even finish this up. But we're getting everything kind of caught up ahead of time that way when it comes in, we can get it, put it all in there, have it all hooked up and ready to go by the time it's ready to go, you know? Looks pretty good. Alright, so now we'll go tighten all this up and post another video when we're getting there.